When it comes to building and packaging Python projects, there are a few standout tools that dominate the landscape in 2025. One of the oldest and most widely used is Setuptools. It's the traditional choice for defining Python packages using a setup.py file. Setuptools is stable and well supported, making it a reliable option especially if you're working on older projects or need to ensure compatibility with existing Python packaging tools and environments. For newer projects, many developers are turning to Poetry. Poetry modernizes Python packaging by using a single pyproject.toml file to manage dependencies, build configurations, and publishing steps. It also handles virtual environments and dependency resolution automatically. Its clean syntax and all-in-one workflow make it a favorite among developers who want simplicity without sacrificing power. Another great option is Flit, which focuses on lightweight packaging for simple projects. It also uses pyproject.toml and is great for quickly publishing minimal, well-structured packages to Pippi. While it doesn't offer as many features as Poetry, Flit is perfect when you just need to package and ship without a lot of configuration. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more content on Python development, packaging tools, and programming best practices, be sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your support helps me create more valuable content. Thanks for watching.